Guys, it's Johnny Valentine, and I'm about to put this wireway up. Antonio's wiring the battery, and I want to show you guys my favorite way to find studs on sheetrock, or it works on a lot of stuff. If there's metal fasteners, it's going to work, and it's something cool you can buy. I think is cooler than a stud finder. So I like to have some high-powered magnets in the truck. They help you to retrieve things, but they also help you to find studs. So this one, you can tie a string onto it and you can just kind of dangle it. Kind of just drag it across the wall, and when you find a stud, it hangs on there. And then I use this to mark them out, and then once I mark them out, there's another mark. It just kind of bounces around. You can just dangle it around. The best way is to put it on a string. That's what they tell you to do. Ooh, there it found something. So you put it on a string, and the rubber kind of makes it bounce around. Ooh, just wanted to go to the gutter. There's one. So I like a high-powered magnet for finding studs. I feel like it's got more uses than a stud finder, and stud finders just, man, they just don't always work for me. So there's another fun toy for you to buy. I'm finding all the studs because I'm about to mount this wireway, and I've got another wireway that I've got to pass through to on the exterior, so I need to know where the studs are, but I also want to make sure I get this wireway in studs when I anchor it to the wall. I want to make sure that it's very good attached, or solidly attached. So here's just a couple of high-powered neodymium magnets. These ones are from Racketeers. They make specialty tools for electrical guys. These are actually the magnets that come with my Cougar paws for my magnetic roofing shoes. But any high-powered neodymium magnet works. It's nice if you have one with some rubber on it because it kind of bounces across the sheetrock. I love them. This one's called the, I don't know if you can read that, but it's called the Quick Mag 2. Quick Mag 2. See if you can read it on the rail. You cannot. It's patented.